Hi there. Today I want to talk about the benefits of eating apples. Apples are an excellent source of fiber, vitamins, and minerals, making them a healthy choice for a wide range of health issues. Here are 10 reasons why you should consider adding more apples to your diet. 1. Apples can help you maintain a healthy weight. They are low in calories and high in fiber, making them a great snack option when you need to hold on to your figure. 2. Apples can help you lower your cholesterol levels. They are rich in pectin, a natural fiber that can help regulate the levels of cholesterol in your blood. 3. Apples can help you stay hydrated. They are packed with water, which can help keep you feeling full and satisfied between meals. 4. Apples can help you improve your digestion. They are rich in fiber, which can help keep your digestive system running smoothly. 5. Apples can help you prevent cancer. They are rich in antioxidants, which can help protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. 6. Apples can help you improve your vision. They are rich in vitamin C, which can help improve your immune system and keep your eyes healthy. 7. Apples can help you reduce your risk of heart disease. They are rich in antioxidants, which can help reduce the buildup of plaque in your arteries. 8. Apples can help you improve your brain function. They are rich in folate, which can help improve cognitive function and prevent memory loss. 9. Apples can help you prevent osteoporosis. They are rich in calcium, which can help keep your bones strong and healthy. 10. Apples can help you stay fresh scented. They are packed with essential oils, which can help keep your body and clothes smelling good.